Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography, and this is Akshay Guru. So I'm here again with one interesting pocket topic, that is carbon farming. I know guys, this pocket topic as initiative, it has helped many individuals just to have their pretty much clarity over the topic, and this will help you further in the future to have a better clarity about that topic as well. Okay? So this pocket topic initiative is just like that initiative that has started few years like ago, like in the sense कि जिससे मैं एक कोई भी किसी टॉपिक को holistic way में, like keeping all its like factual aspect, keeping all its analytical aspect just at one single point, so that you guys will be able to have a clarity over the concept and can able to replicate those in the your answer writing as well. So with this just a brief introduction about the pocket topic, जो मैं वैसे इसमें बहुत सारे pocket videos मैंने बनाए हैं, you guys can go through, you can visit to our website as well, geoforgeography.com. There you as well find this daily mentions of this pocket topic there. So chalo, अब now starting with the that practice of farming that is in the current affair, that is carbon farming. देखो carbon farming is very important in this contemporary time, where the carbon is and carbon related compound, they are what considered as one of the major threat for the existence of the earth, because that carbon dioxide, methane, these are like this are simply those molecules या compounds those are leading to some significant impacts on the overall Earth's global warming, greenhouse gas effect, and ultimately the existence of life. So that the technique wherein we can by means of agriculture itself, where we can absorb the carbon from the atmosphere, excessive carbon, then it utilize over in the process, the agriculture various processes, and then we will have some productive output from this case. So इस practice को हम क्या बोलेंगे, carbon farming, that we will be discussing over here. Go through this pocket topic. I'll be attaching a link as well of this pocket topic. So chalo start. पहले, what is the importance of carbon? Carbon, it is a fundamental to life on the earth and plays a crucial role in the various processes including photosynthesis, respiration, and the carbon cycle. So carbon is very important element on the earth surface, जिसे organic compounds are simply जिसमें hydrogen और carbon bonds है, और जो inorganic compound जिसमें hydrogen carbon bonds नहीं exist कर रहा है directly, that forms them. Now what is the carbon farming? The definition of this: carbon farming combines these two concepts by implementing regenerative agriculture, जिस पे UPSC prelims में already question पूछा है, regenerative agriculture that believes in regeneration of resources by its overall processes or operations. That practice that restore ecosystem health while improving agriculture productivity and soil health and mitigating climate change by enhancing carbon storage in agriculture landscape and reducing greenhouse gas. So what is carbon farming altogether? Carbon farming is like that combination of regenerative farming or agriculture, where you will find the inputs, increase in soil health condition, nutrition conditions, and absorption of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. तो ऐसी फार्मिंग जनरल देखो एग्रीकल्चर भी कर रहे हैं हम, उस फार्मिंग में भी कुछ कार्बन एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है, बट दिस कार्बन फार्मिंग इज इंटेंसिव कार्बन absorption process which involves the process from by means various process we will be discussing, by absorption of carbon from the atmosphere, utilizing it or processing it for various agricultural operations, and then having some productive fruits out of it. So this is what carbon farming. Now अब देखो carbon farming के benefits क्या दिखेंगे फिर आपको. Carbon farming के benefit, the practice is easy to adapt, the very first thing, because it involves such a processes, or like say those mentioned you will find on the carbon cycle institute एक वेबसाइट, अगर if you want to have better idea about this, you can go through that carbon cycle institute वाली वेबसाइट, जिसपे आपको और भी डिटेल में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. So it is easy to adapt. There mention as well how it is very easy to adapt across various agroclimatic zones. It can also help in ameliorate soil degradation. Soil degradation को भी कम करेगा. Water scarcity that it successfully deals with, and challenges related to climate variability, right? Climate variability. So it deals with all this aspect. It is easy to adapt. Climatic variability, soil health improvement, water scarcity, इन सारे factors को ये deal कर सकता है. Second, other benefits with the potential to generate $63 billion now economic benefits out of carbon farming in value from approximately 170 million hectares of arable land, and this gives like a immense economic benefits again out of this carbon farming. So facts भी आपके पास है, आपके पास concrete evidences भी आपके पास है over in this pocket topic discussion. Now, however, this use of carbon farming, it depends on that you cannot use like everywhere this carbon farming. However, इसके कुछ एक specific condition है, at least in the very incipient stage of its development. Though with research और development हम इसको खैर large scale पे भी implement कर सकते हैं. So it depends on the geographical location, soil type, crop selection, water availability, biodiversity, and farm size and scale. Yeah, farm size कितनी है और scale कितनी है, that equally matters. Its usefulness also depends on land management practices that we deploy there, sufficient policy support, and again, you know, the means and method those are we deploying there. So what are now, see, these are what it factors which define the success of the carbon farming, right? Slope हो गया, water हो गया, soil हो गया, then again land management practices है, sufficient policy support equally that matters there, farm size and output as well, right? What are the different carbon farming techniques then? So there are various carbon farming techniques like biomass planting, ठीक है? I hope this is much visible to you. Alley cropping, compact application of rangelands, right? Compact application of the rangelands where you are using land so effectively. Relay cropping है, climate beneficial clothings, yeah, clothings ऐसे use करने, those are not, you know, carbon releasing, rather those are rather carbon, you know, saving or conserving, और इसको फिर agriculture produce में use करना है. Then residential fire fuel load reduction, reducing the use of firewood, जिससे हम agriculture से ही उसका use करेंगे. Critical area planning, the planning of area, agriculture area in such a way कि जिससे carbon absorption ज़्यादा होगा. Then riparian restoration, silvopasture technologies, right? So अगर पता नहीं हो guys, you can look for again, you know, what this exactly technique. जैसे silvopasture में क्या होता है कि agriculture में जैसे हम agriculture cropping patterns के साथ साथ हम forestry और trees management कैसे करेंगे, that is simply the silvopastoral technology. Nutrient recycling, integrated crop and livestock management, crop भी और livestock भी इनका management, because livestock are equally responsible for release of, you know, greenhouse gases, so वो manage करना है, that is equally matter. Multi species cover cropping, maintaining cover, hedgerow, manage graining and all this, no till planting, ये सारे कुछ इसके various techniques है, those just could be deployed, used for the purpose of say carbon farming itself. I hope you guys are getting this thing. एक बार अगर इसमें से कुछ अगर clarity नहीं है तो you can simply look for that particular term over on the Google as well, ठीक है? Then now in that sense के which regions are then suitable for this case, which regions are suitable? That regions with long growing season, ठीक है, जिसका growing season comparatively long होगा, sufficient rainfall is rather observed, that water scarcity is not much, you know, high, or it should not be very dry land region, and substantial irrigation are best suited to practice carbon farming because they provide the best conditions in which to sequester carbon through vegetation growth. In regions with adequate rainfall, क्योंकि water enough चाहिए, तो in regions with adequate rainfall and fertile soil, the potential for carbon sequestration through practices like agroforestry and conservation agriculture, okay, agroforestry and conservation agriculture, see, may be particularly high. तो ऐसा है कि कुछ रीजन्स इसके लिए एटलीस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ दे आर मस्ट सुटेबल, तो ये है वो रीजन्स, ये है वो रिक्वायरमेंट दैट इट सुटेबली, यू नो, दैट इट टिपिकली नीड्स, एंड देन दिस आर द वेरियस टेक्निक्स व्हिच वी आर सपोज्ड टू डिप्लॉय देयर. अब व्हाट अबाउट द केस विद इंडिया? Do we have, like as a country India, do we have that enough potential for carbon farming? Do we find any space or tract of land कि जहाँ पे हम carbon farming successfully deploy कर सकते हैं? Answer is yes. See, India's regional potential Now, regions with extensive agriculture land, like you will find, or like almost like India में वैसे भी 50% of land हमारी arable है, तो 50% land जैसे कि यूपी बिहार में वैसे भी देखो extensive agriculture land हो रहा है ना, तो वो वाला such as Indo-Gangetic plains and the Deccan Plateau are well suited to adapt carbon farming, whereas माउंटेन्स टेरेन ऑफ द हिमालयन रीजन इज लेस सो, क्योंकि माउंटेनस टेरेन में डिफिशियंसी रेनफॉल होगा, सॉइल प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होगी, और वहाँ पे बाकी जो स्लोप वगैरह एस्पेक्ट जो है ना, तो वो उतने ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे जितने आपको फ्लैट लैंड पे मिलेंगे. एंड दैट इज द रीजन यू विल फाइंड इंडिया में इंडो गैंजेटिक प्लेन, देन इंडस प्लेन में भी इसको पार्टली यूज कर सकते हैं, नॉट दैट पार्ट ऑफ द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हायर रीचेस ऑफ द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, एंड डेक्कन प्लेटू एज वेल. So coastal areas are equally suitable, are prone to salinization and have limited resource and thus limited adoption of the traditional farming practices. तो coastal areas में है, but provided अगर आप उसको सही से utilize कर रहे हो तो you can absolutely use this. Now, however, there are some challenges equally attached with this type of farming. Now, what are those challenges? ठीक है, एक general challenges की idea भी होनी चाहिए हमको. But it is scaling up, it's require concentrated efforts to address several challenges like limited awareness about this, because not everyone is aware about, not every farmer I would say rather aware about carbon farming. क्या फार्मिंग तो कर रहे हो, बट अगर कार्बन फार्मिंग करोगे तो शायद एनवायरनमेंट को कुछ ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा, आपको प्रोडक्टिविटी में भी इंक्रीज होगा, क्योंकि कार्बन फर्टिलाइजेशन इज इक्वली एक प्रोसेस है जो एक आपको और प्रोडक्टिविटी दे सकती है. देन इनएडिक्वेट पॉलिसी सपोर्ट इज देयर, बिकॉज एज इट इज कंपेरेटिवली नियर टाइप ऑफ टेक्निक, तो उतना ज़्यादा उसका भी प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ है, तो गवर्नमेंट और पॉलिसी सर्कल में भी इतना अवेयरनेस अभी इसलिए नहीं है. Technological barriers are there, so technological barriers are there, and an enabling adoption environment. So adoption environment, or say that overall ecosystem is not in operation, that makes this carbon farming just like not that immediately that will run on the ground. It will take some time to actualize this type of farming over in the Indian affairs. So I hope you guys now having a better clarity कि कार्बन फार्मिंग क्या है, कार्बन फार्मिंग डेफिनेशन, देन अगेन उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, कौन से रीजन सुटेबल है, कौन से प्रैक्टिसेस आर बेसिकली कार्बन फार्मिंग टेक्निक्स और प्रैक्टिसेस है. फिर इंडिया में रीजन इंडो गैंजेटिक, डेक्कन प्लेटू, कोस्टल एरियाज, एंड देन व्हाट आर दी चैलेंजेस फर्दर. So I hope you guys are getting this particular case in a better way. If you really like this video, just don't forget to like, comment and share, and further subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys and have a good time.